Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. For today's video, I will give you a room tour and I will show you the beautiful view here at my friend's unit here at Flamengo West here at EGI Resort located at Mactan Island, Lapu-lapu City here in Cebu. And she invited me over to check her place because she want to have it rented. And please stay tuned as I will show you the beautiful view here. So before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, ring the bell please, so you get updated and get notified for my new videos. Okay, stay tuned guys. Room tour po tayo. This is the Flamengo East Wing. We are now entering the room. Ito po yung living room. Here, there's this is one of the room, twin beds, good for 4 persons. There's a toilet also and shower. On the second floor right now. Here there's 2 rooms. So we'll check the first room. So it's a 1 double bed, good for 2 people. So let's check what's the view here. So mountain view and garden view, and there's a toilet with bathtub. It's a shower. And then let's check the other room. This is the biggest room. So here there's a 1 king size bed. Actually that bed is good for 3 people because it's big. And then there's another extra mattress right there that's good for 2 to 3 people. And then you have a view here, the same on the other room, mountain view and garden view. This room is air conditioned, so here you can see a full ocean view. Wow, that's the best thing in this room. In the second room, you can see the full ocean view. Then outside, that's the rooftop na po, and From the rooftop, there's a pool po. So here, there's another extra mattress, good for 2, 3, or and then there's a toilet here. That's the big bathtub, and this is the shower room. So, pasensya na guys, medyo hindi pa po siya maayos. But of course, if somebody will rent here, of course they will clean it. And let's check here, what's the view. So there you can see the main road, the mountain view, may mga buildings po dito. But here, in this side, wow, you can see the full ocean view. See? Wow, it's so relaxing. The nice thing here po, ano po siya, sobrang mahangin. So breezy, relaxing. You can see these shades of blue. Wow. So as you can see, there's plenty of boat na nakadocking because here in Mactan, isa po yan sa mga tours po. Dito maraming island hopping, and then fronting so we're facing the Olango Island. That one. That's Olango Island. So this is the rooftop, and then that's the pool. That building, that's J Park Island Resort. So EGI is in between J Park and Cebu White Sands here in Mactan Island. So that's the view here. So that's the sliding door to get inside back in the room. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and love the view. And so let's have a last look. So there's a fan here, and then may aircon po siya. And then may ano pala dito, safety deposit box. And then there's another fan here. So you can have your breakfast here. Look at that view. Perfect. Wow, I want to have my breakfast here. Wow. It's nice to wake up in the morning, having your coffee right here, and then with a beautiful view like that. That's perfect for me. So, ang laki ng bathtub po. Okay. So, at noontime, it's hot at the rooftop because there's no shed, so you can just relax here. So the perfect time to swim or to go to the rooftop during morning or late afternoon, and it's a perfect viewing for sunset. So we'll go down, guys. There's a Wi-Fi. So because all the windows are glass, and then so this is the kitchen area. Here you're allowed to cook. There's a so you can may utensils na po dyan, glass. There's a microwave, sandwich maker, heater. This is the full view from the rooftop. Right now we're at the rooftop because it's already afternoon, so we're chilling here. Oh, there's a rainbow. Wow, beautiful view. So that's a big rainbow. Wow, right now sobrang mahangin. It's so breezy and relaxing. That's the swimming pool here at EGI Resort, and then there's another pool. This one they close it. Napaka tropical. That's another unit there, another building from EGI. So from here you can see the islands. Maraming islands po dyan sa Mactan. So yung makikita nating Long Island, we're facing the Long Island. That's Olango Island. That's my daughter, and then here's my beautiful friend who invited me here. Siya po yung owner po dito sa unit. So we're just chilling here. So we finished the wine. Wala pa kaming wine glass. Yan lang, having some chips.
Together with the Skyflex. It's so yummy.
Skyflex with mango jam.
Simple snack.
Sa Bohol ni dagan ani oh. Juvis banana chips. Super nice ang view, and then this is the view of the pool. So the best view here is morning view and afternoon view, sunset view. Perfect po dito for sunset viewing. And this side you can see the mountain view. So only a few people lang po yung nag-swimming dyan kasi nga pandemic. So that's the beach area of EGI. Right there at the center, that's their beach area. Because on that side, from here, you can view the private island of Maribago Blue Waters. That's the resort of Maribago Blue Waters, and that building is Cebu White Sands. So there's plenty of boat there, nakadaking kasi walang boating trip. Super ganda ng view. I feel like I'm in the ibang bansa. I highly recommend this place. This is really perfect for family gatherings or any occasions. So for those who are interested to rent this place, you may add me on Facebook and on my Instagram, and you can send me a direct message on my Facebook so I can give you the full details. So that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I see you on my next video, and bye guys.